14 to 20 November part 1 video, current affairs video. Before I start the video, I want to say this is just a revision video. For detailed information you must watch any PDF or detailed video. First watch detailed video, then only come to this revision video. DG of Director General of NDRF Atul Karwal, Director General of NDRF Atul Karwal, Vice President of Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Vice President of Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Vice President of Vishwa Hindu Parishad Anand Pandya pass away. NTPC sign an MOU with IOCL Renewable Energy. Bhadrachalam Pilgrim Site Telangana IRCTC Ramayana Circuit of the Pilgrim Special Train. The Pilgrim Special Train Telangana. Kids Rights Information Day. Children Peace Prize Nav Agrawal Vihan to tackle pollution from household waste. PM Mudra launch April 8, 2015, up to 12 lakh loan, non-corporate, non-farm, small and micro enterprises. Rahul Dravid, Ambassador of Plato Footwear. Padma Bhushan Babasaheb Puranbe. Pune pass away, Marathi writer. BSc sign an MOU with MSME, listing of MSME and startup. BSc sign an MOU with MSME. Article 153 Indian Constitution for Governance. Rajachari Crew 3 mission launched by NASA. 14th November World Diabetes Day. Access to diabetes care. छत्तीसगढ़ क्लीनेस्ट स्टेट स्वच्छ अमृत महोत्सव न्यू दिल्ली. क्लीनेस्ट स्टेट छत्तीसगढ़. अजय चिब्बर सलमान अनीस अनशैकलिंग इंडिया हार्ड ट्रूथ्स. द इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर डिफेंस स्टडीज एंड एनालिसिस न्यू दिल्ली मनोहर पारिकर. द इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर डिफेंस स्टडीज एंड एनालिसिस न्यू दिल्ली मनोहर पारिकर. 5351.92 crore. Falguni Nayar, richest self-made woman. IPO, FSN, e-commerce. Nirmay Gujarat Yojana launched by Gujarat Cabinet to protect 30 years from non-communicable disease. Nirmay Gujarat Yojana. Bhopal Habibganj Rani Kamlapati. Brazilian Sao Paulo Lewis Hamilton. Bimal Patel, Interlaw Committee for 5-year term, 1st January 2023. Bimal Patel, International Law Committee. First World Yogasana Championship India won. Crew 3 mission NASA SpaceX. South Korea Urban Air Mobility Vehicle Air Taxi Service. South Korea Urban Air Mobility Taxi Service Air Taxi Service. Lovelina, brand ambassador of ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Brand ambassador ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. अगर तैयारी सही है तो जीत पक्की है. राहुल द्रविड़, head coach of India's senior men's team. Rohit Sharma, new captain of India's T20 team. Children's Day 14th November. Hindi writer Manu Bhandari. India French Army 6th edition. Fréjus France Shakti. India French Army 6th edition Shakti. Pakke Declaration Climate Change Arunachal Pradesh. Australia ICICI T20 World Cup. Australia ICC Men's T20 World Cup. Salman Khurshid, Sunrise over Ayodhya. India Singapore Thailand trilateral SITMAX 2021. India Singapore Thailand. MobiKwik, Axis Bank, NPCI RuPay Card. SpaceX launched 53 Starlink satellite on a Falcon 9 rocket, Florida, USA. SpaceX 53 Starlink satellite. Shil Vardhan Singh, new Director General of CISF. CISF new Director General Shil Vardhan Singh. Modi RBI Retail Direct. Modi RBI Retail Direct scheme and the Reserve Bank Integrated Investment Scheme. Individual now directly can buy treasury bills, sovereign gold bond, government securities and state development loans. Modi launched this RBI Retail Direct scheme where people directly can buy sovereign gold bond, treasury bills, government securities, state development loans. Private sector defense manufacturing facility, Rajnath Singh, UP. Private sector defense manufacturing facility, UP. Modi Bhagwan Birsa Mundla Garden cum Freedom Fighter Museum at Ranchi, Jharkhand. Garden cum Freedom Fighter Museum. World First Merchant Shareholding Program, MSP, Bharat Pay. World First Merchant Shareholding Program, Bharat Pay. Global Climate Change Personal Interest 10th. Global Climate Change Personal Interest, India ranked 10th and German Watch COP26 highest given this report. Given this index, German Watch COP26 given this index and highest rank Denmark. Smarter Digital Payment, RBI launched first global hackathon. Hackathon RBI NGER 2021 Innovation for Transformation. 12th November Public Service Broadcasting Day. 12th November Public Service Broadcasting Day. Gandhi's visit to All India Radio in New Delhi 1947. Abhay Nagar 100 Great Indian Poems. Abhay Kumar 100 Great Indian Poems. Arabic edition launched at Shahjahan International Book Fair 2021. GN Bajpayee Expert Panel, a national dashboard for insolvency data. GN Bajpayee Expert Panel, Head of Expert Panel Head, GN Bajpayee, National Dashboard for Insolvency Data. Ministry of Tourism plus Ministry of Railway Catering and Tourism Cooperation. Ministry of Tourism plus IRCTC to strengthen hospitality and tourism. Lakshmi Cooperative Bank Limited, maximum withdrawal limit 1000. 6 June 2019, Solapur, Maharashtra. NR Narikar. Lakshmi Cooperative Bank, Solapur, Maharashtra. NR Narikar. Babar Azam break record T20 International. Babar Azam break the record on T20 International of Virat Kohli fastest run 2500. Fastest run Babar Azam 2500. Bipin Rawat launched 14th edition of Cyber Security COCON. 14th edition of Cyber Security COCON, the challenge facing the digital world during the COVID-19 period. Bipin Rawat launched 14th edition of Cyber Security. IIT Guwahati signed an MOU with Oil India Limited. JCB Prize Literature Delhi, a Soliq M. Mukundan. JCB Prize for Literature M. Mukundan. NSO CPI Consumer Price Index 4.48%. NSO National Statistic Office CPI Consumer Price Index 4.48%. Kesar-e-Hind State Butterfly for Arunachal Pradesh. Kesar-e-Hind State Butterfly of Arunachal Pradesh. Wilbur Smith author pass away. PC Modi, new Secretary General, Upper House Parliament. PC Modi, new Secretary General, Upper House Parliament. Bangladesh Tata Project bags $120 million order for power transmission project 120 km Bhakimpura 30 months Exim Bank. Bangladesh Tata Project 120 million. Tata Projects bags 120 million for power transmission project Bhakimpura 30 month Exim Bank. Bajaj Alliance Life Insurance partnered with India Post Payment Bank and Department of Post to launch two new insurance products. Nelson Mandela autobiography Long Walk to Freedom. Nelson Mandela autobiography Long Walk to Freedom. Pulela Gopichand launched Shuttler's Freak Malking. Shuttlers flick making. Pulela Gopichand launch Shuttlers flick. Ajay Kumar Force in Statecraft at NDC New Delhi. Ajay Kumar Force in Statecraft at NDC New Delhi. Alexander Zverev means single event Vienna Australia Open. Vienna Open Australia. Alexander Zverev in means single event. TVS Motor member of United Nations Global Compact. TVS Motor member of United Nations Global Compact. New York Sanda CEO UNGC. The Japan Railway Track Consultant plus National High Speed Railway Corporation Limited to design high speed rail track for Mumbai Ahmedabad HCR corridor. Mumbai Ahmedabad HCR corridor. Japan and National Rail Speed Rail. Birmingham, England, India versus Australia Women's 2021 Commonwealth next year. Birmingham, England. SEBI notified SEBI Mutual Fund to allow the launch of exchange traded funds on silver. UNEP launched International Methane Emission Observatory at the G20 Summit. UNEP launched International Methane Emission Observatory at G20 Summit. World Quality Day, second Thursday of November, 11th November. Quality Day, second Thursday. Quality Day, second Thursday of November or 11th November. Pragat Singh launch Gurbachan Singh autobiography. Pragat Singh launched Gurbachan Singh autobiography, Olympic athlete, title Udaan Baaz, which is written by Navdeep Singh Gill. Pragat Singh launched Gurbachan Singh autobiography. He is the Olympic athlete. The name of the book is Udaan Baaz, and it is written by Navdeep Singh Gill. HDFC Bank e-Naam to enable digital collection and settlement of funds to various e-Naam beneficiaries. HDFC Bank e-Naam. IQ Air Quality and Pollution City Ranking. Delhi top. IQ Quality and Pollution City Ranking, Delhi top. 32nd edition of Indo-Thai Corpat between Indian Navy and Royal Thai Navy. Thailand, India. 32nd edition to enforce maritime links. World Kidneys Day, 13th November. Daniel Ortega, 4th consecutive president of Nicaragua. Daniel Nicaragua. 8 to 14th November, United Nations International Week of Science and Peace 2021. 8 to 14th November, International Week of Science and Peace 2021. The Disruptor Debashish Mukherjee. SBN Bank, Visa and Neo to offer digital saving account. 1994 Siddharth Mumbai, SBN Bank. And about Neo, Vinay Bagri, Bangalore. Jana Small Finance Bank, 3 trade receivable discounting platform to MSME. Jana Small Finance Bank founded in 2008, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Ajay Khanwal. Maharashtra sign an MOU with Rocky Mountain. COP26 electric vehicle policy. Maharashtra, Rocky Mountain, COP26 electric vehicle policy. Indian Oil Corporation Limited sign an MOU with National Thermal Power Corporation Limited, renewable energy power supply. Indian Oil Corporation sign an MOU with NTPC, Indian Oil Corporation. We Power India Partnership Forum, World Bank, ADB to increase women participation in energy sector. We Powered India, World Bank and ADB, ADB together to increase women participation in energy sector. Army Chief Prabhu Ram Sharma, General of Indian Army by President Nepal Army Chief Prabhuram Sharma, General of Indian Army. HDFC Enam. David Warner, Player of the Tournament 2021 World Cup. David Warner, Player of the Tournament T20 World Cup. NPCI MobiKwik Axis Bank up to 2 lakh wallet balance. Vipin Singh MobiKwik, Vipin Singh Haryana. NPCI MobiKwik Axis Bank 2 lakh wallet balance. 11th November World Usability Day. 11th November World Usability Day. Almura, UK, first cross conservation or germ plasma conservation center. Nicaragua President Jose Daniel. South Africa President Frederick William de Klerk pass away. Wengla, the 100 Drums Festival, Meghalaya. Wangla, the 100 Drum Festival, Meghalaya. Ajay Chibbar, Unshackling India, book Salman Anis. Ministry of Culture, Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav, mobile app launch to accelerate to access all information. 41st edition of Scientific Edition to Antarctica. 41st edition of Scientific Edition to Antarctica. Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos launch orbital reef for Space Business Park between 25 to 2030. Blue Origin, Jeff Bezos launch orbital reef for Space Business Park between 25 to 2030. Nehru the debate. Edin Hassan, Tripurdaman Singh. Adil Hassan, Tripurdaman Singh. Nehru, the debate. Maharashtra, the inspiring regional leadership under two coalition. COP26. Eric Kennard, high jump gold medal, USA. 2 silver at Olympics. He has won 2 silver at Olympic 20, Olympic 12 and Olympic 16. 16 held at Rio and 12 at London. International Day of Tolerance, 16th November. International Day of Tolerance, 16th November. India Chief National Badminton Coach P. Gopichand, International Chief of National Badminton Coach. Autobiography, Shuttler's Flick, Making Every plus Priya Kumar. VVS Lakshman National Cricket Academy. Thank you so much for watching the video. We will going to see the second part in next video.